Hi guys, I am Sanghati Banerjee and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am vlogging because I am going to a dog show with Zico. It's his first ever dog show. Look at him, by the way. It's his first ever dog show. His trainer suggested us to take him there for an experience, so that's why we are going there. Also, he hasn't ever socialized with so many dogs, so he'll be meeting so many breeds, so many dogs for the first time. I'm super excited to see what he does. Also, I'm excited to see how he performs. Sorry, my throat hasn't recovered from the Kali Pujo disaster yet. Anyways, so we are going there today. It's in Belur near Kolkata. I am sure the day is going to be really fun. I'm so excited to see what Zico does. Zico! Sorry. So yeah, I haven't ever been to a dog show. This will be my first time. I don't know how things happen there, what happens there. So I'm excited. I'll take you along with me. So come along, let's get ready. So Abhi, I'm ready, and now Zico's final grooming is happening inside. Come, let's see. So we are ready and we are on the way. That's Rushai. That's our hero for the day. It's Kakan. Shayor, are you coming? Kolkata right now. We have taken a little tea break, snacks break. Hi Zico. Zico. Hi. Hi Mama. Hi Mama. Are you nervous, Mama? No? Kakan and Usha are having lunch. Zico finished his snack. That was a cucumber. And I am having a chocolate. So we have reached our location. That's my baby. And we are waiting here. We can see a lot of breeds. I'll show you one by one. So that's a little husky baby there. And there's another one. How cute. Here we have so many dogs we had in this room. Zico was also here. That's a French Mastiff. This is a Pom. How cute now. And that is Shandesh. That's also a retriever. Zico got so much love. And that's Zico's new friend, who was a baby Gretchen. Look at them, look at them. How cute now. This was a place where all the dogs were getting groomed. That's a little Shih Tzu. who is getting her hair dressed. How pretty! There were so many cute Shih Tzus there, and that's another husky. Another Dalmatian. That's a lab. These are the two boxers who were roaming around with their owners. This one's a miniature, and this one was so naughty. This teeny tiny little one. And that's my little baby. That's our Zico. That's Zico and the other dogs doing their warm-up session, getting ready. This is Buddy. How cute, nah? And that's my baby ready for a show. All these little kids were coming and playing with him. This is the place where Zico was about to perform. These are the rings, and those are the little, I don't know what to call them. These were the other participants. And that's my baby trying to socialize with other dogs. And my baby was ready for the show. Look at him saluting. And here he goes. Yes! That's my little baby boy. I'm so proud of him. There he goes. Yes. Yes. And he was done with his turn. These are the other dogs playing. I was so scared to see him jump over these fire things. Oh God. But he did so well. And the show was over. Now all the participants were just taking a round around the field. That's my Zico leading everybody in front. Well, this was minutes before the prize distribution. Everybody was getting photographed, and we honestly had no idea that Zico was going to win a prize. Look, this is the other lab that got the award, and we were just cheering for him. When we heard the judge say, "Yes, Zico won! Yay!" Sorry for the shaky video quality because I was so happy and my hands were shaking. I don't know why. I was just so happy that my baby won. Look at him. He doesn't even care. So we are done with the show and Zico won! He won the Best Obedient Dog Award. Zico? Zico doesn't care. Zico, I think ekbar taka ma ekbar. Hey to Zico, he's a winner. Now we are heading back home. Zico is tired and so are we. We are giving a little tea break again. Oh, Zico? What happened? What happened? Oh, how cute. So we took a halt for a tea break again. We are having what? Egg toast? I didn't have. I had this. Pauli food. And we have reached home.
Champion is home.
So we came back home. I had my dinner. We had a little biryani party in honor of Zico's Best Obedient Dog Award. I'm super proud of him. I'm so happy. I honestly didn't expect him to behave so well, perform so well, since it was his first ever dog show. For the first time ever, he was meeting so many dogs together, and I was just so nervous. I didn't know how he would, behave or how he would perform, but he did so well. I'm just so happy. Anyways, also it was my first time, as I told you in the intro, it was my first time visiting a dog show. I was also super excited to meet all those different breeds of dogs, and it was just so fun and so exciting. I hope you had fun watching this too. If you did so, please do like this video, share this video, and let me know in the comments down below what you thought about this video and what video would you like to see next on my channel. Also, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye!